Have you ever found yourself torn between following that inner voice, that gut feeling telling you what to do, and the persistent chatter of the mind, constantly fueled by your ego's desires? If so, you're not alone. We all experience this tug of war between intuition and ego, and it's time we uncover the magic that lies within. Intuition, the quiet whispers of the heart, a guiding force beyond rational reasoning. It's that unexplainable knowing that transcends logic and connects us to something greater than ourselves. It plays a crucial role in decision-making, relationships, and understanding the deeper aspects of who we truly are. On the other hand, we have our ego, the self-protective mechanism that constantly seeks validation and control. While the ego has its purpose, it often clouds our judgment, leading us to make choices driven by fear, pride, and external expectations. When ego takes the steering wheel, it limits our growth and blinds us to the beauty of the present moment. But fear not. Today, we'll unlock the wisdom to transcend ego's limitations and embrace the enchanting world of intuition. Intuition is a fascinating phenomenon that resides in the realm of the subconscious mind. It's a form of inner wisdom, an innate knowing that operates beyond the constraints of rational thinking. Imagine it as a quiet, guiding voice that whispers softly from within, nudging us towards the right path. Intuition isn't an elusive concept reserved for spiritual gurus. It's something we all experience daily. Let's look at some relatable examples to make this clearer. You're walking home late at night, and suddenly, your intuition kicks in, warning you to change your route, even if it might be longer. That intuitive feeling might just be protecting you from potential harm. You're at a job interview, and as you shake hands with the interviewer, you feel an inexplicable sense of warmth and comfort. That's your intuition recognizing a positive connection that goes beyond words and qualifications. While intuition might feel mystical, there's also a scientific basis to this phenomenon. In our brain, we have a vast network of neurons and synapses that process information and help us navigate the world. Amidst this complexity, intuition takes root. Our emotional brain regions, such as the amygdala and insula, play a vital role in intuition. They're constantly scanning our surroundings, drawing on past experiences, and detecting subtle cues that our conscious mind might overlook. Additionally, our sensory experiences feed into intuition. Think of it like an orchestra of information, where sight, sound, touch, and smell blend together to create an intuitive understanding of the world around us. When our emotional and sensory experiences converge with our subconscious processing, that's when intuition flourishes. To understand the ego's influence, we must first grasp its essence. The ego is a psychological construct that plays a crucial role in shaping who we perceive ourselves to be. It thrives on self-preservation and protecting our sense of identity. Imagine it as a protective guardian, ever vigilant, ensuring our survival in a complex world. Our ego creates a mental representation of who we believe we are, a compilation of our experiences, beliefs, and values. It constantly seeks validation and reinforcement from the external world to maintain this identity. While the ego serves an essential purpose, its influence can sometimes lead us astray. Ego-driven decisions are often based on protecting our identity or seeking approval from others. This can lead to biased judgments and clouded perspectives. For example, when faced with a challenging situation, the ego might steer us away from taking risks, fearing failure, and seeking comfort in familiar territory. As a result, we might miss out on valuable opportunities for growth and self-discovery. One of the ego's most profound effects is the creation of fear, doubt, and resistance to change. It clings to what is known, resisting anything that threatens the stability of our identity. Fear of the unknown can keep us trapped in limiting patterns, preventing us from embracing change and personal evolution. Doubt in our abilities can lead us to undervalue ourselves and hinder our progress towards our goals. Furthermore, the ego tends to compare ourselves with others, leading to feelings of inferiority or superiority. This constant comparison can be detrimental to our self-esteem and hinder our authentic growth. Overcoming the ego's influence requires a conscious effort to recognize its impact on our thoughts and actions. Awareness is the first step to breaking free from its grip. Embracing self-reflection and introspection allows us to discern whether our decisions are ego-driven or aligned with our true selves. By understanding our ego's motivations, we can begin to challenge its limiting beliefs and open ourselves up to new possibilities. Embracing change and personal growth requires courage, but it's a journey worth taking. By acknowledging the ego's role and consciously choosing to transcend its limitations, we unlock the door to genuine transformation. To comprehend the magnitude of the clash between ego and intuition, we must first understand their respective domains. Our ego, our sense of self and identity, seeks to protect us from harm and maintain a consistent narrative of who we are. On the other hand, our intuition, that inner voice, often operates beyond logic, drawing from our experiences and emotions to provide guidance. My dear viewers, understanding the clash between ego and intuition is a transformative journey. It invites us to self-reflect, question our motives, and explore the reasons behind our decisions. By nurturing our intuition and diminishing the ego's dominance, we unlock the door to greater self-awareness and genuine connections with others. The first step in nurturing your intuition is through mindfulness practices and meditation. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, wait, meditation, isn't that all about emptying the mind? Well, not exactly. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools to quiet the noise in our minds, allowing us to tune into our inner wisdom. Mindfulness helps us stay present in the moment, letting go of distractions and external pressures. This heightened awareness of the present moment opens the door for our intuition to shine. Meditation, on the other hand, takes us deeper within ourselves, where the answers to our questions often reside. By practicing regular meditation, we develop a stronger connection with our intuition and tap into its vast reservoir of insights. So find a quiet corner, take a few minutes every day, and let mindfulness and meditation pave the way for your intuition to flourish. Now, nurturing intuition also involves trusting our instincts and developing self-awareness. Instincts are like little whispers from our inner self, guiding us in moments of uncertainty. Trusting them can lead to making more authentic decisions. But it's not always easy, is it? The nagging doubts and fears can make us question our intuition. So how do we build that trust? It starts with self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your experiences, your thoughts, and your emotions. This self-awareness helps you recognize patterns and identify when your intuition is trying to communicate with you. Remember, intuition is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So, be patient with yourself as you learn to trust your inner guide. Embracing intuition brings a world of benefits into our lives. One of the most exciting advantages is increased creativity. When we tap into our intuition, we unlock a wellspring of innovative ideas and solutions. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or simply seeking fresh perspectives, nurturing your intuition can spark a creative revolution within you. But that's not all. Better decision-making is another treasure that intuition bestows upon us. By tuning into our intuition, we gain access to insights beyond logical analysis, guiding us towards choices that align with our true desires and values. It's like having a secret superpower, empowering you to make decisions that resonate with your authentic self. See, intuition is not just some mysterious force. It's a valuable skill that we can develop and hone to enrich every aspect of our lives. To strike the right balance between ego and intuition, we must begin with self-awareness and reflection. Understanding our personal biases and tendencies is the first step towards embracing our intuition. Mindfulness practices like meditation can be instrumental in quieting the mind and connecting with our inner selves. By slowing down and observing our thoughts, we gain clarity about the role our ego plays in our daily choices. Writing down our thoughts and feelings allows us to uncover patterns and triggers that are driven by our ego. This self-reflection helps us become aware of situations where our ego might be taking the lead. Remember, finding the balance doesn't happen overnight. It's a continuous journey of self-discovery and growth. Be patient with yourself as you delve deeper into your inner world. Now that we're more aware of our ego's influence, let's talk about how embracing intuition can lead to more authentic and fulfilling experiences. When we trust our intuition, we tap into a well of innate wisdom. Intuition guides us towards choices that align with our true desires and values, rather than decisions driven by societal expectations or external pressures. Embracing intuition allows us to live authentically, be true to ourselves, and experience genuine happiness. It empowers us to make choices that lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Thank you all for joining me on this enlightening journey of self-awareness and intuition. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on the magic we explore here on our channel. Until next time, keep trusting your intuition and embracing the wonders it brings to your life. Take care and see you soon.